It is clear that the Republicans will succeed in confirming Amy Coney Barrett to serve for life on the Supreme Court. They have the votes, the constitutional authority, and the will to do it. This doesn't make them villains or even mean that they are violating norms or precedents. There have been many election year vacancies on the court and presidents always nominate someone to fill them. If the president is lucky enough to have his party in control of the Senate, then his nominee is usually confirmed. If the other party controls the Senate, then the nominee is usually rejected. The Republicans are acting like every other party going back to the Whigs and the Democratic Republicans. Mitch McConnell's hypocrisy in keeping a seat open for about a year when Obama was president but rushing through Trump's nominee mere weeks before the election is frustrating. But no party has a monopoly on hypocrisy. Just compare the Democrats' reaction to sexual assault allegations against Joe Biden and Bill Clinton to their reaction to such allegations against Brett Kavanaugh and Donald Trump. The fact is that the Republicans have just gotten extremely lucky. The Obama-era vacancy occurred early in the election year, while Ruth Bader Ginsburg passed away just in time for Trump and McConnell to fill the seat. This has led to the very unusual situation that Trump effectively had a 5-year window to fill Supreme Court vacancies, and he will have been able to fill 3 of them in his first term. The Republicans have gotten lucky in other ways as well. The Electoral College and the structure of the Senate give disproportionate power to white, conservative states like Alaska, the Dakotas, and Wyoming. While the framers might have designed the Electoral College to give disproportionate power to slave states, the fact that it currently favors Republicans is just a lucky break for them. And that is unlikely to change in the foreseeable future. As a result of all this, the Republicans, who have lost the popular vote in 4 of the past 5 elections, have controlled the White House during 3 of the past 5 terms and will have appointed 6 of the 9 Supreme Court justices. Trump's appointees have been young, so that won't change anytime soon either. The Republicans can easily control the Senate even when their senators represent significantly less than half the population, so minority rule is going to be a common situation. While the polls could easily change, right now it looks like the Democrats have a decent chance of controlling the White House, Senate, and House of Representatives next year. That might not happen again for a long time, especially if the Republicans do well in state elections and are in a position to aggressively gerrymander congressional districts. These districts are redrawn in the first year of each decade, so the party with the majorities in the most states has a 10-year-long advantage in future congressional elections.